So I'd had plastic surgery prior, and I wasn't happy with the results. The physician that I had seen, I don't think he really understood what it was I was looking for, and kind of gave me more what he thought was appropriate for me, and I wasn't happy. The way that it had ended up is I ended up having wider breasts than I wanted. They just didn't look right. I came and saw Dr. Tower, and I felt like we had a connection. She knew what I was talking about. She was able to tell me what she was able to do to correct what my concerns were, and I trusted her. But even up until we had the surgery, I was still a little reluctant, and she was just so able to tell me and take the time and go through it again and tell me, this is what we can expect the results to be. And after the surgery, it was even better than she had explained it would be. So now I feel more confident now. I don't feel like I have to hide myself or be embarrassed or feel like, gosh, I went through all of that and didn't get the results that I wanted. Now I feel like I'm happy. I'm happy with how I look. I'm happy with how my clothes fit. It's probably one of the best things I've done. What Dr. Tower did was came in and she didn't even have to take my breast implants out, which was great. She didn't have to go through all of that. She just came in and resealed the pockets on the side and recorrected the areolas and was able to give me the look that I wanted. And I had ended up with some scar tissue from an abdominoplasty that I had, and so she was able to lipo that out and soften up the scar quite a bit, which was very helpful to me because you go through an abdominoplasty, which is a lot of pain and a lot of healing. So to not get the result that you wanted was just disheartening. So she was able to correct that. And then I had a little bit, just a little start of what I call, kind of like just that double chin. So she was able to take that fat out and inject it underneath my eyes where I was getting those hollows with my own fat. So it was perfect. So I ended up not having the double chin and getting rid of the hollows that I had here. And it was everything that I wanted. The follow-up was wonderful. Just the whole experience from start to finish with the staff, the way that they handled it, the way that they took care of me afterwards. Dr. Tower even called me at home a couple times, make sure everything was going fine. I healed correctly, following her instructions. I know it sounds kind of cliche, but I'd do it over again. She's a miracle worker. I already have a couple friends that are looking forward to coming and seeing her. I wish her great success. She's a wonderful doctor.